up? Welcome or welcome back. I hope you're doing well. For today's video, we're going to be once again doing one of those K-pop inspired outfits, and today we'll be doing Jennie from BLACKPINK's outfit from one of their Pretty Savage performances, namely the really iconic pair of censored pants. I remember when I saw them, I was like, where can I get these? And I did some research and they're not cheap. I also don't know how I feel about wearing a pair of pants that says censored right in the center of the crotch area, so instead I'm gonna recreate it and put my own twist to it. And honestly, it's a very simple and easy process, so you can turn any pair of oversized jeans into something much cooler. And yeah, let's just get right on into the video. Alright, so what we're going to be using here is a pair of black straight leg men's pants. They're oversized and I got them from Amazon. I think whatever pair of pants that you want to use, it's best to use a pair of straight leg jeans just because it gives that shape. And even though they're oversized, we're going to cinch in that waistline. So even if it is like a pair of men's jeans, it's totally fine. Steal it from your boyfriend, your brother, whatever. So to cinch in the waistline part, I'm going to be using a few safety pins to kind of pin up a few inches. So I'm just flipping it inside out and doing so. So because this is more of like a lower rise pair of jeans and I have wider hips, I'm not gonna take in that much, but if you want it to be more high-waisted, you can take in a little bit more so it cinches in better at the waist. So I did this to both sides, and as you can see when I flipped it back over, it seems pretty seamless. And now I'm just going to take my black thread and use a normal over-under stitch to stitch along the line that I created with the pins. You can also use a sewing machine here to speed up the process, but honestly it's not that many stitches and it's quite simple to do it by hand as well. I think the trick here to make it look like you didn't just randomly stitch it together is to make it kind of tapered. So at the bottom, take less fabric, and then as you move towards the top, towards the waistline, that's when you can like taper it and take in more fabric. So that pretty much concludes everything we need to do for the sewing, and it's super simple. And next we're gonna work on the text that goes in the crotch or the center of the pants area. And for obvious reasons, I don't think I'm gonna use the word censored, so I'm gonna use my own word here that says designer. I just went ahead and put this text on a Word document and printed it out, and I'm just gonna use my X-Acto knife and carve out the letters so it creates a template. And I'm gonna put that stencil over the pants to kind of trace it and put it in position. And lastly, just tape it over and use a white ball pen to trace the outlines from the template. And so when I remove the template, I'll have the outlines right there for me. And as you can see, this is what it looks like on. Now the last step is just to trace over what we've outlined before. So I'm using this white paint marker for fabric, and I'm just going to trace over the previous lines we've made and just darkening any lines as needed. So we are finally finished with these pants, and they're super easy and simple to make. Honestly, you can do this with any pair of oversized straight leg jeans. And yeah, this is the final product. Alright, so I got this, I think it's called a body chain, I'm not too sure, from Amazon the other day, so this will go well with the outfit. Alright, so now all we need to do is put the entire outfit together, and I know that Jennie has these striped sleeves on, but I don't want to cut off my sleeves for my jacket, so I'm just going to use a jacket that has these gold stripes on the side and just putting it over my head like so in order to hide it and just show the sleeves. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really like how it turned out. It was a lot simpler than I thought, but still was good, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!